State law, federal law. Who always wins? Federal! Let's go! State law and federal law inside the same hypo. One says yes, one says no. That's the signal, now you know. Conflict between the two. Federal always wins the fight. Supremacy clause takes over. Federal law is supreme and right. But if the state law's tougher, more restrictive than the Fed, that's not a conflict. 10th Amendment rules instead. State police power, health, safety, welfare of its own. State can't pass that law as long as no conflict is shown. Federal wins the conflict. State says yes, federal says no. Federal, no conflict. State is tougher. 10th Amendment stands tall. Supremacy clause, federal law wins. State law easier than federal. Federal begins. 10th Amendment, state police power. Health, safety, welfare. State can lead the way. No federal police power, that does not exist. Congress needs enumerated powers. Get that on your list. Spot the state and federal issue. Connect the dots today. Lock it in and pick it. That's how you ace the MBE. Commandeering rule. Congress cannot command a state. Cannot require, obligate. That crosses the line, it's too late. Congress can act, Congress can work with states together. But commanding a state to act, unconstitutional never. Federal wins the conflict. State says yes, federal says no. Federal, no conflict. State is tougher. 10th Amendment stands tall. Supremacy clause, federal law wins. State law easier than federal. Federal begins. 10th Amendment, state police power. Health, safety, welfare. State can lead the way. One word changes everything. Require, command, obligate. Slow down on the fact that one word decides your fate. Dense hypo got you lost. Just dumb it down and see. State